everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. Pardon my voice, I've been very sick this last week, so I'm behind on my videos and getting that 54 done and everything. I've been neglecting you guys. Anyway, feeling a little bit better now, so I figured I'd shoot a video today. I also want to wish a very happy birthday to one of my faithful watchers, Bob from Ramona, California. I hope you have a very happy day and a blessed new year coming. Like I said, thank you guys all for watching. We hit over 1,000 on YouTube. I can't believe it. And over 1,000 on my Instagram page as well. Everything's just growing by leaps and bounds so fast, and it's all because of you guys' support and watching my videos. So I just thank you so much. Hope you all are having a great day. I'm heading out right now to show you guys a little something that is also very, very important to me. So I hope you guys will tune back in and watch in a few minutes. Okay guys, bye. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am driving, but as you can see, hands-free off the phone. So it's attached to my dash. But so just a little background on the video that I'm doing. I want to make it clear that my channel is still based all on Cadillacs. I am the Caddy Girl and I love Cadillacs with a passion. But I also, a lot of people don't know that I also absolutely love pretty much all GM products. I mean, my grandfather was Mr. Buick, so I love Buicks as well. Love Chevys. My family has always been huge into Chevys of all kinds. Trucks, cars, love them. So, anyway, just a little background on me. I got my license when I was 17, and my parents matched the money that I had saved. So my first car was a 1955 Cadillac four-door Fleetwood, and it was black, and it was beautiful, and I loved it to death. I nicknamed it Bubbles because to me they looked like a big beluga whale, which was kind of funny, but whatever. So I will put pictures in my video here so you can see my first car. And after I sold Bubbles, the 55, then I got a 1960 Cadillac flat top. And that car was just awesome. That car was rad. It ran excellent, drove excellent. Had that one for many, many years. And then after that one, there's been so many Cadillacs, I'm not even sure I can remember them all at this point. But after that one, I had a 60 coupe. And like I said, I'll put pictures in the video of everything that I'm talking about here so you guys can see it. But after I had like 3 Cadillacs, I kind of, the Blazer bug had kind of bitten me, Chevy Blazers. I had always grown up in lifted trucks. You know, my parents brought me home from the hospital as a baby in a lifted square body Suburban. So I had just always grown up around these trucks, loved them to pieces. And there was actually one in my town that had sat for a long time, and you could see spider webs coming down off the wheels. And you could just tell that nobody loved this truck, nobody ever drove this truck, it just sat there. So one day we were just driving around and we ended up going to the door, and I'm like, hey, would you ever sell the Blazer? And the guy was like, actually, it's my wife's, it's my father-in-law's truck, my wife's dad's truck. So they talked to him and he was like, yeah, I'll let it go. And he was only the second owner. It originally came from Eureka, California. And he drove it down here to SoCal. And then, you know, drove it for a while, used it for a bit, and then just didn't need it anymore. So they kind of parked it and just let it go. You'll have to pardon the squeak from my windshield wipers, but it's raining. Anyway, so they're like, yeah, we'll sell it. So I was so excited, ended up buying the truck, and I had the Blazer for, oh my gosh, along with Cadillacs in there too, but like 8.5 years before I let it go. And then I bought a little 73 Chevy short bed, which was Spanish gold. And, you know, if there's a Spanish gold lover out there, I apologize, but I think the color is just detestable. So that truck was not too special to me, and kind of, it was just kind of a pain too. So anyway, then my neighbor up the street, around the corner, friends of mine, he had a 73 long bed that he had done a lot of work on, and rebuilt the motor, disc brakes, headers, mufflers, lift kit, brand new tires, beautiful, beautiful truck. And so one day I was talking to him and he's like, yeah, I'm gonna let it go. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you're gonna sell the truck. I'm like, well, I gotta have it. So I quickly listed the Spanish gold one, and I bought it from him. So anyway, like I said, my channel is completely dedicated to Cadillacs. I am in love with Cadillacs, but I wanted to show you my other baby today that I absolutely love, because I also love my Chevy trucks. So that's what we're gonna do here in a minute when I find a place to park this beast. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give you guys another little insight into my life and some history of my cars. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll be back in a second. Okay everybody, this is my other baby that I was telling you about, 73 Chevy long bed. This is my grocery getter. It also does a lot of the work for all the Cadillacs, towing them around the yard, ones that don't run. This is the beast that does it. 4-inch lift, 35-inch tires. That's why I have stirrups there, because I'm a short girl and it's hard to get in it. I do have an original 73 grill that I will be putting back in the truck because I don't like the grill that's in it. But yeah, this is my daily that I drive around all the time when I'm not in a Cadillac. Kind of bad weather today. We're getting some rain and some wind. But yeah, I just wanted to show this to you guys. This truck means the world to me, and like I said, I'm just strictly a GM girl all the way around. GM, you cannot go wrong with. So anyway, that is how I got this truck, and I am so thankful for it every day, and thankful for you guys watching all of my videos, and I hope you enjoy this one especially. So anyway, I'm just gonna take off here, and my phone is attached to the dash, so hands-free, no hands on the phone. But like I said, I mean, my page will always strictly be about Cadillacs. I am the Caddy Girl, and I will always be the Caddy Girl. But for a daily, like I said, I love my my truck. I feel very safe in it, and it drives really nice, and it's obviously very, you know, user-friendly. If you need to tow something, if you need to haul something, it is a 2500 long bed. So it can do all of that. Like I said, if I ever have a Cadillac that I need to move around the property or do anything like that, it's always perfect for that kind of stuff. So anyways, I thank you guys so much for watching my video, as always. Like I said, pardon my voice. I've been quite sick the last week, so, but I did want to get out today on this beautiful rainy day and make this video for you guys, and I hope you like it, and I hope you will continue to subscribe and tune into my channel and watch all my different videos that I'm going to be posting about Cadillacs from now on. Like I said, this was just a little out of the ordinary about my truck. So anyway, now you know a little bit more, even yet, about the Caddy Girl. And I will keep posting videos. Hopefully you guys will keep watching. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a very, very blessed day. Bye, guys. As you can see, everybody, the rain caught us. I'm not far from home, but it's getting bad out there. But I wanted to take a video and just get out of the house for a bit today. I'm going cabin fever crazy